Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is very well. So today we are doing the May edition of Lookiero. You guys know I love the subscription. I've had a new stylist called Grace. Sizing's been a bit problematic, but hopefully this box has sorted all that out. So let's get to it and have a look and see what she sent me this time. Never seem to open the boxes without, oh my goodness. I should eat some more spinach, I think. Okay, so inside, as you know guys, you've got paperwork, which I always leave to the end. And then inside, get 2 bundles. So let's have a look. Bundle 1. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Okay, so straight away we've got some, what do you call these, like skinnies, what do you call these, coated. And I know straight away these are just no way gonna fit me. I mean, I don't know, Jesus, they look so tiny. I will try and squeeze myself into them, but I don't think they are going to fit. And with that, we have this top. Oh, now I like this. This is lovely. Look, guys, look at this. Wow, I am loving this. This is quite sheer. We've got a little bunching at the end of the wrist there with elastication there. Got the round neck. Oh, this is beautiful. I think it's like an animal print of some sort. It's like a pinky black. I love this, and this would look so nice with these trousers. I'm so bummed out they're probably not going to fit. Okay, look forward to trying them on, or that on, one or the other. And our second bundle. Oh, looks like a top. Okay, this is not something I would necessarily go for. I mean, it's nice and everything. For me, that's a little bit short and probably quite boxy. It's probably not going to do much for me. It's very pretty. I love the colour. Very spring. It's got lining. It's lovely. It's very pretty. Just not sure it's my cup of tea, so to speak, but we'll try it on nonetheless and have a look. And then we have, what's this? Oh, this is a rah-rah skirt. Again, way too short. Not sure why she keeps sending me these out, because they're clearly too small in length. I do like something longer, but I'll try it on. And we have, ooh, I'm not sure about these. Okay. Like they're supposed to, I guess they're supposed to be like a white. This is not something that I would normally go for. I'm not sure white jeans are very flattering for me. I don't know. I'll try them on. And they've got these poppers. Oh, workable poppers at the leg, bottom of the leg. Workable pockets. These do look quite huge. I'm hoping they are going to fit. I'm not sure on these guys, but I will definitely try them on, and we'll have a look and see how they look on. And also in the box you get a returnable bag, so anything you don't keep, just pop in this bag and send it back. That's free of charge. The subscription would cost you £10 a month. That's for styling fee, but you do get that taken off if you purchase anything. So all in all, I think it's quite good service. I do kind of like it. There have been some like hit and misses, but It's okay. Right, I'm going to try this lot on and fingers crossed some of it fits, and I'll see you very soon. Hi guys, so we're back with the first outfit. What do you think of these then? I'm not really feeling the jeans. She suggested that she's chosen the white skinny jeans, the red top, and to wear my favourite leather jacket from Modern Comfy Look, which obviously I've done. I'm not really a white jean fan. I don't think they're very flattering if you carry a little bit more extra weight. I mean, I don't not like it, but I'm not sure. Need your guys' help, what you kind of think. Let me know in the comments below. And a little top. Again, this is not something that I gravitate towards. Not 100% sure on this. It's okay, but I like that she's trying to get me into some sort of colour. But we'll see. So let me know in the comments what you think of this complete outfit, if you like it or not. Right, we're back soon with outfit number 2. Hi guys, so we're back again with the second outfit. So as you can see, I've got the little tiny skirt on. I mean, I really like this. I just wish it was just a fraction longer. It's layered, as you can see, and it's got this underneath. Now this stuff tends to make me sweat like you wouldn't believe. But I really do kind of like it. It's really cute. Now she suggested that I actually try the skirt with the red top. I did, and I did not like the combination. Hence why I've gone with my own black t-shirt. So yeah, I think it's okay. I don't think I'll be keeping it on this occasion. I pretty much made up my mind. But again, leave your comments down and I will have a look and see what you guys think. Right, I'm going now for the last outfit and I'll see you very soon. Hi guys, so we're back with the final outfit. As you can see, I did manage to literally squeeze myself into these, what do they call them? Wax jeans. You know, they're okay. But to be fair, I do have my own and they're practically the same. So probably won't be keeping these ones. I'm going to have them 2 pairs. Love, 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 love this top. It is so nice. It fits lovely. I love the sleeving area. I love how this is sheer. This has got like, I don't know, it's lined, but I really like this. It fits lovely. Oh, it's really pretty, and you can wear this with a few things. This definitely 100% a keeper. So that's the try on done. Let me know your thoughts. Leave me a comment. You know I love getting your comments and your feedback. And we'll take this off, grab myself a coffee, and we'll go through pricing. See you in a bit. Hi guys, so we are back with the final part of my video. You know that I like to go through pricing with you guys so you get an idea of how expensive Lookiero is. So we have our information here. You do get a letter from your stylist. I can tell you that I got grace again. This is just like saying how to like style the pieces. You then get some styling cards to give you ideas of how to style the pieces that she selects for you, which is always handy. We also get this card if you guys would like to try Lookiero. You'll get 10% off your first order, and I get £10 off mine if you use my referral link, which I will leave in the description or comments or somewhere for you guys if you want to try it. And the all important piece is the invoice. So let's have a look and see how much this lot. Okay, so starting with the white jeans, which were these ones. They were £59.99. Then we have this one. Let me just check actually, just to make sure I've got that right. Where does it say the made? Oh yeah, it is. So then we had this one, which is £34, which I love. We then had the skirts. This one, which was £39.95. Then we had these, which were £48, which are very expensive because I got mine from maybe like New Look for 20 odd quid. And finally we had this little top at £21.50. The whole box comes to £203.44 minus your £10 styling fee, minus your 25% discount if you keep all 5 items, which is £48.36. Take off the whole amount would be £145.08. I know some of you guys think this is an expensive way to shop, but chances are you're not going to get 5 out of 5 anyway. You probably only like 1 or 2 pieces out of the entire box. So for me, if I didn't probably have the leather trousers or wax trousers and this top here, I would have brought these two. As it stands, I'll probably buy this, which was 34, so take my tenner off, 24 quid, which is not too bad for a top, and it's good quality, and most importantly, I really do actually like it. Okay guys, so that's it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. These are the kind of like videos that I do. I do have another subscription starting from next Wednesday, so please check in for that, and it is a clothing subscription. So I hope you look forward to tuning in for that one. Leave me your comments. If there's anything you guys would like me to try out for you, let me know. I'm open to most things and I can give it a try for you and review it. So have yourselves a good evening, and I will speak to you in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.